Very much welcome to my YouTube channel. At this point I am going to show you how to trade derivative on Bybit, which is the same as future trading on Binance. So in this video I would like you to pay a very good attention. This video is meant for my premium student that have decided to give it to you so that you can take advantage of it. So please pay attention to this video. This is the free tutorial I'm going to give you as I promised earlier. So watch this video to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Now, as you can see, this is the Bybit account, and if you have not signed up into Bybit, what do? You are going to click on the link and then use the referral link that will be dropped in the description of this video. When you sign up, you then sign in and then verify your password. And when you have signed in successfully, make sure that you carry out your what did I call it? Carry out your verification level 1. You can see there. Make sure if you're in Nigeria, I want to advise you to use maybe I want to advise you to use BVM to do that. Now, if when you have done with that, then you must deposit a certain amount of money. Let me say a minimum of 5 USDT. Now, as you can see, Bybit is categorized into 3 accounts, which we have the funding account, the unified trading account, and inverse derivative trading account. And before you can carry out derivative account, the money must be either on unified or inverse derivative account. Now, the funding account, any fund that is there cannot be traded, so take note of that. Right now I have just about 5.4 USDT, so I'm going to practicalize it for you, and you are going to I've said everything theoretically. What future trading is all about. It's just about leveraging on a certain pair stroke USDT, maybe a certain crypto that is pegged with USDT, maybe perpetual USDT, BTC, Solana USDT, and all of that. The same way with gold, forex trading, the same way future trading or the right trading is. If you know how to take future trading the same way, forex trading the same way. What I call it, the right trading is. Now, having funded the account with this little dollar, and now click on the derivative. Now you can see there are charts here whereby this one signifies the seller, and this one signifies the buyer. Now you can see, what am I trying to say here? At this point in time, you can see we have the trade zone and we have the chart zone. The chart zone shows you the movement of the chart, how the chart is moving, the market is moving. You can see it there. So with this chart helps us to to study the market, technical, to give the technical analysis or fundamental analysis. And in short, the technical analysis, the basic things here that we use the chart, and that will be a topic for another day. So that is why you must subscribe to this channel. So I'll be dropping video on technical analysis of a particular trading pair on future trading, and I'll also be dropping signal. The reason why you must watch this video and study how to trade future is because we are heading to the epic bull run, and if you know how to trade future, you will make bastard money, unimaginable profit that you cannot no one can explain. So at this point in time, few futures at the time I'm going to explain. Number one is this particular zone where you have isolated there, and at this point I would like you your trade to be, and you have 3 type of trade zone. We have isolated margin, we have cross margin, we have portfolio margin. So in this video we are going to dwell on isolated margin. We use either isolated or cross margin. Now, when you have selected your trade zone to be isolated margin, it means that the particular amount of USDT that you have allocated for this a trade. Maybe you have 1,000 USDT as your equity or portfolio, 1,000 portfolio, and then you just leverage it. Out of this, you are leveraging maybe 100. You just use 100% out of it. In other words, when you are isolated margin, when this 100 is exhausted, then the remaining 900 will not be touched. And if you are on a cross margin, if you are on cross margin, if when the 100 is exhausted, then the remaining other balance 900 will still be part of the balance left for the trade to continue. Take note of that. So in order to maintain and preserve your account from being from just being maybe in order not to risk your entire portfolio at a time, what am I trying to say? Make sure you set your trading on isolated. Make sure let it be on. Make sure you check it and the trade is on isolated zone. Then number 2 is leverage. Now you can see the leverage here. Leverage talks about the multiply effect of the profits or the losses. Now, if I am, this is a leverage. I like Bybit because the leverage has been standardized. The highest leverage on Bybit here is 75x. What does that mean? Now, take for instance, I set my leverage to be at 10x. Now, you can see the particular percentage that this trade, Solana USDT, is 0.3x. Let's take for instance that particular current trading percentage, which is 0.3x. Now when you are on leverage 10, it means that let's say we have 1% right now. When you are on leverage, let me change this trade zone to maybe perpetual 1000 perpetual 1000 perpetual USDT. Now you can see it's still on 1. I want to see if we can have anyone that the percentage is 1 or something thereabout. Now this is a multiply effect of the growth. When the normal percentage is 1 and you are on leverage 1, it means when the market is 1%, you are on 10%. When the market is 33%, you are on 30%, either in your favor or against you. If the market is going in your favor, then you are gaining by 30%, and if it is going against you, then you are losing by 30%. Why the original percentage of the market is 3%? Because you are on leverage 10, the 10x, you are either gaining by 30% or you are losing by 30%. Depends on how the market goes in your favor. Therefore, I want to advise you never to use more than never to use more than 10x in every of your trade. That number 2. Then the next thing now is at this point in time, I'm going to base on my analysis of this market. It's just for a teaching. I am going to set this market. I'm going to trade it, take this trade. Anyway, I'm going to take this trade, and right about now I'm going to take this trade, and as I'm taking this trade, I'm going to take this trade right now in a buy direction, and you're going to watch it. Now, what am I trying to say? If I pick buy long, it means I want to make profit. If I enter buy long, it means I want to make profit when the market is buying. And if I enter the sell short, it means I want to make profit when the market is also in a sell direction. And it take for instance, if I'm on buying direction and the market begin to sell, it means I'm losing. Take note of that. Make sure you follow a good market analysis before you take trading. Now I am going to take the trade right away in a sell direction based on what is going to happen. Now you can see I have $5, so I'm going to use all. I'm going to use all right now. When you drag this cursor here, this particular cursor here to the end, it means you are using all your equity. You can see I have only $5. Now, please take this as a precaution. Never use all your capital. At least I want to, for security reasons, for risk management, you are advised to use maximum of 10%. of your total portfolio per trade. Are you getting me? But this particular portfolio is very, very small, so I think I'm going to use it all. So now, like as I said, now when you are on the market order, you are just the current price of the market here. You don't need to, this is the market order price, so you don't need to write the particular the price of this coin that you are here. So all you need to do on the market order is, if you are using the entire portfolio here, you can see 5 USDT. Because it's very big, you can see you are using the entire portfolio. Nevertheless, let's say you are having $10, you are supposed to be using maximum of maybe $1,000, or $100. You may be supposed to be using $10 per trade. But nevertheless, since the portfolio is very small, I will decide to use all, so that we can go, and I'm going on a sell market. Please watch this video to the end, because I will also explain TP and SL, take profit and stop loss. Now you click on sell. Now I've entered the market, which is on short. You can see here right away I am already on a little profit here, but nevertheless I'm going to set the stop loss, because the stop loss must be set. Now you can see I click on S there. Now on the take profit, I'm going to drag it to the end, and the stop loss here, you can see when the market is 150%, I will get $7.7 profit. You can see it there. Then my the stop loss will be around 30%. You can see around 30%, around 30% of the capital. You can see here. Now when the market is at 30% lost, I'll be losing 1.5453 USDT. You can see, then I will click here to confirm the stop loss. Now you can see everything is set. I'm already on the trade, and the trade is in my favor, 1.5. Now the last thing that I'm going to do, which we must know, please, I'm going to close here. If you want to close the trade, that is the area you will close the trade. Now you click here, and then you just confirm the closure of the trade, and you can see here I'm at 100%, close all. You can see 70%, 50%, and all, but I'm closing all. This is the one I'm closing also, and I will click on that. Now the trade has been closed. Thank you so much for watching this video. In my next video, I am going to show you how to maybe remodify the market and another version of this trade. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this video with your friend. Bye.